Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm delayed. Hey guys, welcome back to another Girl on Arts video. I'm happy you came back. I just wanted to make a little intro for this video. As you're gonna see, I moved into a new little office studio. It's in my home. I've been outgrowing the space where I've been sharing with my fiance, and he pretty much kicked me out of there, so I had to go. But it's working out way better. I love the natural light that I'm getting here in this office, and I have a place for lots of my things, my yarn, my books, my sewing machine and my serger, and maybe even like I took my Cricut out of the garage finally and got the dust off of it. So yeah, it's not like great or perfect, done neat yet, but it's getting there, and it looks really nice. I'm very happy with it. I'm still kind of figuring out the arrangement of things and the placement, and if you guys have like any opinion or can think of a better way of setting this up, like leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it, because right now it's a little bit tight squeeze going past the desk and stuff, but I think I wanted the floating desk like this so that I could have more space, be able to put more things in here. But yeah, I so far I have like access to the TV, my 2 monitors, my tablet, and at night I love how like romantic and cozy it looks in here once the lights are down and just the lamps on. So I've been having lots of fun and looking forward to coming into work. So yeah, I hope I can bring a lot better quality videos now in this little space, because I don't have to like be digging things out. Everything's like easy access and ready to go, and I'm really excited for it. So I hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe and like, tell your friends. Hello lovelies, and welcome to Girl on Arts. I wanted to share an update with you. I actually took some inspiration from an estate sale that a friend and I went to over the weekend. It had the most amazing craft rooms, and yes, plural rooms. I was so jealous. But I was actually thinking about getting those exact shelves, but I decided just to try to work with whatever I had at home instead. But it did serve as an inspiration to use this office that became available to me. I didn't realize I had so many things. I was making my fiance claustrophobic in our office, but now I have lots of room. So to the right, as you enter, I have decided to put my sewing machine and serger, and the pets have even come in. They have approved of what I've done with the place. They're very happy. Misha found my plants. But yeah, everything is still like a work in progress, and I still need to find a place for some things. But I do have like a lot more room now than before. One thing on my list right now is trying to get control of those cables. If you guys know of anything that's cute, pretty, that I can tie these up with. I'm not sure. I was thinking about adding like a skirt to the table. I was able to organize my yarn by color. I probably still need to wind some of those and try to get them extra neat. But yeah, I was able to put them like in Roy G. Biv, and I have place for my books and my sketchbooks and all my alcohol markers, my drawing tools that I use on a daily basis. I'll be showing that shelf in a moment. You can get the link below of where I purchased it on Amazon. And that rolling shelf right there that I'm showing, it's actually from IKEA. I think it's called the Alex. I've been trying to slowly organize the shelves. I bought a lot of those little plastic organizers at Tuesday morning. They were fairly inexpensive. So I was just trying to wrangle up all the mess that I had. This desk, my fiance actually made it. It's supposed to be a door, but he added legs to it, so that's why it's so big. And somehow I still managed to fill it up. I'm really excited about this new place. It's given me so much inspiration. I've had it for about a week now. I love that I can watch TV or watch YouTube videos or do follow along things while I'm sitting here drawing. I have my drawing tablet and my coffee ready to go. I love that people can come and just chill out with me and sit on the couch next to me. I love that the printer and the Cricut and everything's really easy access to me right there. And I'm enjoying the natural light in here. I'm hoping it'll come in handy whenever I do my product photography. So the blast from the past is me putting together that shelf. I still have more wounds from it. I pinched my thumb. But other than that, it was fairly easy to put together. It's just like a stackable shelf that I got on Amazon. And what I really liked about it is that it's expandable width-wise. So I was able to fit all 3 of the machines and go vertically so that not that much space was wasted on the desk. I'm hoping I can keep the right side of that desk cleaned for whenever I do product photography or if I make any kind of clay products again. But yeah, I liked the shelf. It's sturdy. It's doing what it needs to do. I was happy with it. I think the only downfall was some of these bolts were supposed to have washers behind them, but I wasn't able to get the washers on all of them like that. So hopefully it stays put. I'll let you guys know how it works out. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. I'm excited to make new stuff. And I can't wait for you guys to join me on this adventure. Thanks for watching.